7, Landry Potter was a scratch. 91, Jeff Wakeman. 21, Tim Fulford, your front row. 88 car, Rick Corso will be in row 2 now, along with the 45 of Ethan Ross. Third row's got the 27 from South Elgin, Bill Rudd. Outside him will be car number 32, Lyle Nowak, the former Mid-Am champion. And at the back of the field, multi-time Rockford winner, car 47. From Wonder Lake, Illinois, it is Kenny Justin. So 7 cars will go 10 laps. Now the lineup is already set for the Mid-Am cars. We rolled the dice earlier this afternoon. The invert will be 12 for the feature. So these are heat races for points. These are heat races as a last chance to get your car dialed in before the big 50-lapper coming up. 1 lap from green, says Steve Vittori, who will be a busy, busy man flagging all the events here today in the starter stand, and whom I hope has used a bit of extra sunscreen on the top of his head. Wakeman and Fulford, your front row. 10 laps, heat 1 for the Mid-Am cars. Good start for Wakeman. Into the hole, he takes the lead. Ross and Fulford will go at it for second. Rick Corso right in there in car number 88. Up the hill goes Fulford. Down the hill goes Ross. Almost opened up for Rick Corso. He's crazy enough to try it. Rudd and Nowak go side by side as they work off of turn number 2. Good lead for Jeff Wakeman of the 91, but he goes up the hill and everybody catches him now. Fulford into second, Corso breaks into third. Ross hanging tough on the bottom side, his first ever Mid-Am go. Corso dives to the inside of Fulford, excuse me, he takes second. Ethan Ross still hanging on the bottom. Falling to fourth though. Lyle Nowak will go after the rookie for the 4th position. Now Rick Corso wants the lead. Diving to the inside of Wakeman, way low in turn 1. Easy move, oh he wiggled. A little too low, that caught him. Wakeman and Corso side by side, halfway home this time by, and a new leader, Rick Corso. Oh, Wakeman caught Nowak. Coming down the front stretch, and the yellow's out. Oh, man. Jeff Wakeman had just got a little out of haul off of turn 4, and he came across and caught the front end of Lyle Nowak. Heavy damage to the right front of the 39-year racing veteran Lyle Nowak's car. Jeff Wakeman caught Nowak, so he's got some damage. I don't know if it's quite as terminal, so to speak, because it was more on the side, but Nowak got it right square in the front. But of course, Jeff Wakeman will go to the back of the field after being a part of that yellow flag. 5 scored, 5 to go. Halfway through our first of 2 Quest Industrial Mid-American Stock Car Series heat races. 3 Mid-American Rookie of the Year contenders. And you will see the other 2 in the next heat. Kenny Justin 4th, Bill Rudd 5th, and Jeff Wakeman at the back, able to continue in the 91. 1 lap away from green. Five scored, 5 to go. Rambo Rick Corso is going to bring him back. Good start. Justin wants 3rd from Ethan Ross. For the first time, Ethan Ross gets to test the high side here in this heat race. Keeps it ahead of Kenny J. Ethan Ross is catching Tim Fulford for 2nd. Justin closes in from behind. Rick Corso gets away. 3 laps to go for your leader, Rick Corso. Oh, getting tight. 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Ross in a tight spot, uncharted territory. Now Justin gets below him, and they'll go fender to fender. White flag coming. It'll be 1 to go for Rick Corso. Justin and Ethan Ross will go at it for 3rd. There's the white. Oh, Ross Ross up the hill just a bit. Opens the door for Justin. Checkered flag coming for Rick Corso. For third they battle. It'll be Justin. Ethan Ross got a little wiggly, a little bit of give and take there as he kind of let off enough to get it gathered in and let Justin into third. Runner-up goes to car number 21, Tim Fulford. And your winner of the first of two, Quest Industrial Mid-American Stock Car Series heat races here this afternoon. The man of many hats. I always say his garage has got to look like the Ark. He's got a super late Mid-Am truck, at least he used to. Won everything, and he's a former Mid-Am champion as well. And the Adams Auto Body and Service Performance Unlimited, car number 88. How about a nice hand for Rambo, Rick Corso.